Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see about the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction. So at the end of this video you will be able to understand what is the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction and what are the steps involved in the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction. Okay, so let's see. So in the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction, the ketoxime is nothing but the CnHOH is going to get converted to amide. Okay, so this rearrangement is going to take place from the ketoxime to amide in the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction. Amide. Okay, in presence of PCl5, SOCl2, H2SO4. So how this ketoxime is going to get converted into amide, we'll see later on in the reaction. First of all, ketoxime, how the ketoxime is prepared? Ketoxime is prepared simply from the ketone reacting with the hydroxylamine. This H2 and oxygen is get eliminated from the reaction, leads to the formation of ketoxime. Now this reaction is not the part of the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction, but we should know how this ketoxime is prepared. That's why I have given this in this video. So this will be like this. So ketoxime is prepared from the reaction of ketone plus hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine leads to the formation of ketoxime with water molecule, loss of water molecule. This H2 and this oxygen is get eliminated from the as an H2. Okay, now we will see the mechanism of this Bachmann's rearrangement reaction, how this ketoxime is rearranged to the amide functional group, amide. Okay, so the mechanism of the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction involves simply 5 steps. Okay, now in the step 1, the ketoxime is going to get protonated. Ketoxime is going undergoes protonation to form an oxonium ion. Okay, so this will be our oxonium ion, OH2 plus. Oxonium ion will be get formed by the protonation. Simply protonation is going to take place. Now in the step 2, this oxonium ion is going to eliminate an water molecule which lead to the formation of natrium ion. Okay, okay, so this water molecule is getting lost through the reaction, lead to the formation of natrium ion. Now in the step 3, this natrium ion is going to rearrange itself as in the way the carbocation is get formed. Okay, so the rearrangement is going to take place in the step 3, lead to the formation of carbocation. Okay, so the carbocation is get formed in this step 3. Now in this step 4, this carbocation is going for an hydrolysis reaction. Okay, so Rc plus NR undergoes an hydrolysis, lead to the formation of RCOH NR. Okay, now this uh, this is going to rearrange itself as this this is lead to the formation of, this is an intermediate of the its mechanism. Now this intermediate is going to rearrange itself as this double bond will be shifting this word and this hydrogen will be lost and nitrogen will accept that hydrogen, which will lead to the formation of amide. Okay, so this was all about the mechanism of Bachmann's rearrangement reaction. Bachmann's rearrangement, where our ketoxime is converted to simply amide. So again we will revise in later it. Okay, so the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction, where the ketoxime is get converted to rearranged to amide group. Okay, so how the ketoxime is prepared? Ketoxime is prepared by the reaction of ketone plus hydroxyl amine, which lead to the formation of ketoxime with loss of water molecule. Now this ketoxime is rearranging itself in the presence of PCl5, SOCl2. SOCl2 is what? Thionyl chloride plus or H2SO4, which is rearranging itself to amide. So the mechanism of the Bachmann's rearrangement involved what? 5 steps. In the step 1, the ketoxime is protonated to form oxonium ion. Now this oxonium ion is losing a water molecule to form natrium ion. Now this natrium ion is rearranging itself to form the carbocation. Now this carbocation is undergoing a hydrolysis to form this OH. Okay, now this intermediate is rearrangement is taking place to the intermediate, which is leading to the formation of amide. Okay, so this was all about the Bachmann's rearrangement reaction. Hope you like this video, so make sure that you subscribe my channel and also hit that bell icon to get latest notification of my channel. So thank you so much.